Hi, welcome to What's New in SolidCAM. In this video we will see what's new in SolidCAM Turbo HSM. In the new version of SolidCAM we have added a combination strategy for Turbo HSM. So let's add a Turbo HSM and we will add what we call as a combination strategy using constant Z and linear. Let's select the tool, an 8 diameter ball nose, and we have a combination strategy here which uses a combination of constant Z step down and linear step over. So I'm going to provide a constant Z step down of 0.5 millimeter and 0.5 millimeter of constant step over, linear step over. And the angle for machining for linear is going to be an optimum angle defined automatically by the software looking from the XY plane. And the shallow areas is going to be from 0 to 48 degrees, and the steep areas is going to be from 48 to 90. Sorting, I'm going to use zigzag, and it's going to be a region-based machining. We'll use sharp corners. Just save this, and we calculate the tool path. Okay, calculation is done. And this is how my toolpath looks like. So you have got constant Z machining in steep areas and linear machining in shallow areas. So this is a new functionality that has been introduced in SolidCAM for Turbo HSM. Thank you very much for watching the video.